Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. First of all, wish you all a very happy Gudi Padwa and Navya Varshacha Hardik Shubhechha. In short, Gudi Padwa is the beginning of Hindus' New Year. Gudi symbolizes the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana and is believed to ward off evil, invite prosperity and good luck into our houses. So to celebrate this auspicious day, we are going to make not one but three very easy and delicious mango recipes. The first one is Amrakhanda, that is mango Shrikhand. The second is Amba Vadi, you can also call it mango Barfi. And the third is everyone's favorite mango Kulfi. So let's get started. These are the ingredients to make mango Shrikhand. First we have to make the base of our Shrikhand, which is called as Chakka. Place a big strainer on a bowl and place any thin cloth over it. It's better if you use a muslin cloth. Add 800 grams of curd. Squeeze out all the moisture and hang this on your tap for 5 to 6 hours. We have to let all the moisture drain away. Till then, add few strands of saffron, that is kesar, in 1 tablespoon of warm milk. After 6 hours, our base is ready and it already looks very creamy. Remove the chakka in a big bowl. To that, add 1 big cup of mango pulp. I used approximately 3 big mangoes. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, that is elaichi powder, pinch of salt and the saffron milk. Mix it up roughly. Then using a hand beater, whip the mixture for approximately 5 to 8 minutes until you get a nice smooth texture. And our Amrakhanda is ready. Serve it in a bowl, garnish it with any chopped nuts you like and just look at how pretty it looks. The texture is very smooth and creamy. You can store it in the refrigerator using an airtight container for up to 3 to 4 days. Enjoy this beautiful and delicious Amrakhanda with hot and fluffy puris. For making Amba Vadi, we only need 4 ingredients. In a pan, add half cup of mango pulp, stir it a bit and add equal amount of sugar. In our case, it is half cup. If your mangoes are very sweet, then you can add less sugar. If they are not, then you can add more sugar. Just adjust your sweetness according to the mangoes. Now keep stirring this mixture until it turns amber in color. Then add 1/4 teaspoon elaichi powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Adding salt in dessert balances out the extra sweetness and enhances the overall flavor. Again, keep stirring until the mixture thickens. Now transfer this mixture on a silicone mat which I greased with ghee. You can transfer it on the back of a steel plate as well. Place a plastic over it and spread the mixture. You can use butter paper instead of plastic. Now use a rolling pin to flatten out the mixture evenly. The mixture sets very fast, so it's a quick process. Remove the plastic and using a sharp knife, cut it out in any shape you like. I'm cutting into the traditional square shape. Keep lifting the knife and then cut. Our Amba Vadi is ready and it smells so good. It has a perfect brittle texture and it melts in your mouth and the mango flavor is super intense. You can store it for up to a week in airtight container and fulfill your sweet craving. These are the ingredients for everyone's favorite mango kulfi. In a bowl, add 1 cup of mango pulp, pinch of salt and mix it. To that, add 150 ml of fresh cream, 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Whisk it all together. And finally, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. It will absorb all the extra moisture. If you don't have kulfi mold like me, you can use a popsicle mold. Fill till 3/4 and tap it. Cover it with a foil paper to avoid crystallization. Make a slit with a knife and insert an ice cream stick. Another option is using a small paper cup. Repeat the same procedure. You can also use any small cone-shaped steel ka glass. Let the kulfi set in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Now let's demold it. Demolding paper cup is the easiest. Just tear it up. The popsicle one is also easy to demold and looks like an ice cream candy, which is very pretty. For the glass one, we will use kulfi wale bhaiya ki trick. Dip the glass in water, rotate and remove it out slowly. Our mango kulfis are ready to be enjoyed. It tastes so good. It's very creamy and super delicious. Try these mouth-watering recipes and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Bhuvan Joshi, Devyani Jadhav and Reshka Chandra. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.